Hey everybody, it's Dr. Julie Quinn here, and I'm going to introduce you to week 6. We are in our midterm. Okay, so you're finishing up, if you're looking at this on Sunday night, you're finishing up Module 5, where you did peer review, where you should have gotten feedback from me on your prior papers, and you're going to submit your final assignment version that was due Sunday, June 18th in this section. And you want to make sure that you get that done and all that is knocked out. Now, so the midterm itself, it must be taken this week. And the overview says this. For the midterm exam, you'll be asked to reflect upon your own learning so far this semester. You'll be asked to think about your learning in relationship with course objectives and course content. So one of the important things, you're going to be writing a several multi-paragraph essay of reflection. So yes, you can use first person point of view, the I's, the me's, that's fine. In order to prepare, review the course objectives found in the syllabus. So you just open your syllabus. You can certainly open it in a new tab, and you can scroll down and you can take a look at the course objectives. Okay, they are listed as identifying and implementing critical processes in reading, writing, thinking, and research. Identify basic rhetorical knowledge and use active reading strategies. Compose and apply the writing process and conventions. Conventions meaning proper paragraph structure, grammar and spell check, thoughtful organization, that kind of thing. Show critical thinking skills about various texts and demonstrate effective research processes. So that's something that you want to think about as you prepare for this. And of course, skim the work, especially the submitted work and the feedback you got in modules 1 through 5. Think about what we've reviewed so far, about how you've grown as a writer, how you've looked at particular texts, how you've summarized and reflected on those texts. And you're welcome to take notes about these ideas. You can handwrite them or type them up. One side of the paper, whether handwritten or typed, you'll be asked to create a PDF of your notes and submit those as part of the assignment. Okay? Let's see here. Okay, so you've got a couple of options. Once you've reviewed that little overview for the midterm, now you have to go to the proctored assessments. Your midterm is a proctored assessment. It's different than the assignments you've been submitting so far. So you've got an overview of the academic integrity and taking proctored assessments. That means you may not be coming onto campus to take it, but you are required to review the academic integrity policy. You're required to look at the college's minimum technology standards and make sure you meet them so that you can do your midterm online. If not, you can go to one of the campus testing centers next week, starting the 17th, and you should be able to take your midterm. I would call ahead to make sure, because tomorrow is a federal holiday. It's the federal holiday of Juneteenth. I would call ahead to make sure that the testing center is going to be open. Otherwise, you'll have from Tuesday through Saturday. I'm not sure testing centers open on Sunday. It just depends. Call ahead, triple check. Okay. You've got all of this important information about taking those assessments, and it's really important that you do that you pay attention to it. You will be required to take an integrity and identity proctored activity. I see some of you have already done it, which is fantastic, but you've got to have that lockdown browser first. That's why you have to review this link, and you will have to be on webcam. If you don't have an active webcam, you will have to go to campus to take the midterm exam. And if you have any questions about this, I would reach out directly to me, and I can get you information for Nova Online support where they can walk you through it. So you have a practice submitting a PDF quiz, because remember that midterm wants us I want to see your notes. What kind of notes are you taking in preparation? I want you to submit those notes. Then you've got the assessment itself, and then the submission of the notes. And then don't worry about these two. That's the final exam. It will follow the same type of submission process. But that's it. This is a lighter week. Knock out everything from week 5 if you haven't finished it, and you get to do a reflection about your learning processes. I think you should feel comfortable and confident in this assignment if you've kept up with it. And note, I will be within email access all week. So if you have any questions, all you have to do is email me, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. I will be able to Zoom Monday through Thursday. I will not be able to Zoom Friday, but I will be within email reach on Friday. I will not be within reach on Saturday or Sunday of the weekend. So my recommendation is to not let the midterm wait too long. Plan on taking it perhaps Wednesday or Thursday at the latest. If you have any technical questions, then you can reach out to Nova Online. You can also reach out to me. I'll put a link for your Nova Online technical support at the bottom of the video announcement. And listen, I wish you luck. We're about halfway through. If you've gotten this far, you can do it. And in the meantime, while you're working on your midterm, I'll be working on getting you your summary and response paper feedback, final feedback, and grades. I look forward to seeing all of your work, and have a great week.